You're posting videos, you're trying your best, but nobody is watching. And now you're thinking, is YouTube even for me? Let me tell you something honestly. Most people fail on YouTube not because they are not good. They fail because they don't know what actually works. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers fast. I'm talking 1,000 legit subscribers that will actually be interested in your videos, even if nobody knows you yet. And I'm also going to show you this particular app that I just discovered that makes this process 10 times easier. You don't want to skip any part of this video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Imole Ayo. And on this channel, I teach you how to edit your YouTube videos and how to grow on YouTube. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Now, let's get into the video. Step 1 is to stop guessing and start researching before you even start making your videos. One mistake I made when I started was this. I was posting what I wanted and not what people were searching for. And that's why nobody was actually watching my videos. If you want to grow here on YouTube, you need to ask yourself those questions. What are people actually searching for? What are people already looking for? And this is where a tool like vidIQ comes in. This is what I personally use for my research. And I'm going to leave a link in my description box below if you actually want to check this tool out. But let me quickly show you how it works. What this tool does is actually very simple. It helps you with SEO search. It shows you what's trending in your niche. It gives you title ideas for your videos. And it even scores your titles to know if they are good or not. This tool is like your own YouTube assistant. So instead of guessing, you are creating videos that people are already searching for. And that alone can change everything. To know what is trending in your niche and to research with vidIQ, all you need to do is come to the app here and click on research. Now, this is what is trending today in my own niche. And if I scroll down, 3 days ago, this was what was trending. So this app actually makes it easier for you. The second step is to focus on one clear niche. Let me be very honest with you. If your channel is about cooking today, relationship tomorrow, vlogging next week, YouTube will get confused. And when YouTube is confused, the algorithm, when it is confused, it won't push your video. You need to pick something clear. Something like YouTube growth, editing, lifestyle, and faith content. You can pick any niche of your choice and stick to it. Because when you do this, YouTube knows exactly who to show your content to, and your audience knows what to expect as well. And that makes your growth on YouTube here easier. The third step is to spy on what is already working. Posting your own unique ideas is smart, but to grow and gain the audience in your specific niche, you need to actually start by doing what is already working. There are people in your niche already. They are getting views, they are going viral, and they are growing fast. Your own job is to study them. Study the videos that are performing well for them. Study them. You can search for content creators in your niche and look at what is actually already working for them. And one of the easiest ways to know what is working for your competitors is by using vidIQ. Because with this tool, you can see what your competitors are doing, know which videos are performing well, and you also get to understand what is trending in your niche. So instead of struggling, you are learning from what is already working. Now that brings us to step 4, which is making sure that you create clickable titles, because this is everything. Let me tell you the truth. If your title is not good, people will not click on your video to watch it, even if your content is powerful. And this is why I always say that your title is much more important than your video. Now, here is the good part. Like I said earlier, vidIQ actually helps you generate title ideas, score your titles, show you how strong your title is before you even post. So you don't just upload and hope. You now get to upload with confidence. Now, let me show you how this app actually works. This is my vidIQ app. Look at this particular video of mine, how to blur video background on your phone for free. vidIQ actually rates this my title 56. And now they are suggesting another title for me here, a stronger title that will actually make people click on my video. If I want to actually change the title to what they are suggesting now, all I need to do is click on apply title. Or if I don't like their own title, I can actually also tell them to regenerate and give me another title. After clicking on regenerate, I'm just going to swipe to see the other suggestions and pick the one I like. Now I'm going to go with the first one they actually suggested, and I'm going to click on apply title. The title has been updated, as you can see. So this makes your work on YouTube here easier, and it helps you stop guessing. The fifth step is to post consistently, but you have to do this in a smart way. Consistency is not just about posting every day. No, it's also about posting what works again and again. Let's say a video performs well on your channel. What you need to do is repeat that same topic, improve it, and make it better, or create something that is related to it. because it is obvious that your audience love that topic and that is why it performed well. And doing this will make your channel grow fast. The sixth step is to optimize your videos for search. YouTube is a search engine, which means if you use the right keywords, your videos can keep getting views for months. And this is where vidIQ comes in again. It shows you the best keywords to use. It helps you rank your videos. It improves your SEO so that your videos don't just sit on your channel. It actually helps your videos get discovered. To use this tool for your optimization, all you need to do is come to optimization here. This app will actually suggest tags for you, tags that you can use. And it will also show you how important those tags are. These tags that has I number and are yellow, they are actually the good tags. That's what people are searching for. And the ones that are in red actually have low search volume. That is why it is like that. I'm just going to click on more. These tags that are being suggested for me by vidIQ, this is what people are actually searching for about what I posted. If I want to just change this, I can just remove the ones with red, but I don't advise it. Personally, I don't remove them. I just keep them like that. And people are still searching for them. It's just that the search volume is low. All I just need to do, since they've recommended it for me, I just need to just click on publish. And just like that, the tags has been added to my video. So this app is just like too sweet and easy. I've been so amazed and fascinated about what it can actually do. The seventh step is to make sure you focus on value and not just perfection. Let me say this clearly. You don't need expensive camera, perfect lighting, and fancy setup. What you need is to provide value. Ask yourself this question: what problem am I solving with my videos? Because trust me, if your video helps someone, they will definitely subscribe to your channel. It's a no-brainer. The eighth step is to tell people to subscribe to your channel, but you need to do this smartly. You don't tell them to subscribe to your channel at the beginning of your video. You need to tell them after dishing out maybe one value, or after letting them know what value they are going to get from your video. Because sometimes some people will not subscribe unless you nudge them and add that call to action. Just always add it naturally in your videos. If this is helping you, or if this has helped you, kindly subscribe to my channel, and they will subscribe. Now, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, I highly recommend you try vidIQ, because like I said earlier, it will help you find video ideas, see what's trending, analyze your competitors, and create better titles and thumbnails that actually get clicks. So I've left the link to sign up in my description box below. Go ahead and sign up and start using it for your channel. Growing from 0 to 1,000 subscribers is not magic. It's about knowing what works, doing it consistently, and using the right tools. And if you follow what I showed you in this video, you will definitely grow. It may not be overnight, but definitely faster than most people. So we've come to the end of this video. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.